bought bulk because they want to send enough. Because you know you can buy like people buy jerk season and stuff on online on Japan Post, Amazon, but I don't think it's the same. Me want my, but I don't think they can buy corridor. So then buy the season, the wholesale, right? Because then buy one by enough, right? When we read about the packaging and sealing and whatever, Kemisha them sell corn. So they have a sealer. So I say, Kemisha, seal the something and we will make the packet, make the label. I feel we seasoning this. Miss, see there? Miss Carol seasoning. So I'm like, I'll barcode upon it. I'm like, who is going to
Hold
take
on
this?
there. Hold on. Big up to Carol shop straight, yeah.
Yeah, big up to Carol.
Greetings from foreign.
Greetings.
Yeah.
Online is a knockoff. Yeah, right. That's what Civi's saying. Online is a knockoff. It's not the same. So we really need. Yeah, mascara seasoning. See, mascara. This is the jerk now. So
mascara jerk is that?
More than likely, what you can get is the paste. But this is like the jerk powder, which is the real deal. Hey, we can't see the.
So Carol season that too?
Yeah, man, Miss Carol season.
Oh, you mean?
Big up Miss
Carol. Reach a Japan.
Miss Carol jerk seasoning, and this is Miss Carol curry powder.
Yeah, Miss Carol.
You think so? We are a Jamaicans, we name, you know, we have to make things work. Who take over seasoning? I same to somebody said they took away their seasoning and stuff, and they wanted to cry, took away all of them. All of them curry.
I use them, I go home, I use them.
Oh gosh, yes, something. All right, these are like banana chips left and stuff, and plantain chips. What else? I'm not gonna lie.
Watch Antoine face now.
I really feel good. You see, if it was just the letter them from Jabari them.
Well fat.
If it was just the letter them from Jabari them and the last for them, would I still feel good? Like me get everything. We get everything.
So you get the new flavor something, Jenny now.
Oh, which one of them is the new flavor?
Tell us a lie, tell.
Cookies and cream. Wow.
Yeah, it's a new flavor.
You come like the people them were rich already and ball. Them just they don't want no money, they don't want nothing. After they already get you.
So me get cookies and cream, chocolate and vanilla. So all I know.
Chushi already get
Carol, we couldn't have done this without you. Oh, you know. Over Miss Carol, over there or not, but me say that is the easiest thing to come to me, Miss Carol seasoning.
But I know she want to buy them from for true.
Me not sure.
Kemisha's where say?
She them buy from.
Kemisha, where you buy them from?
Katie, back to you now. You go about if you did just get the letter them only, and just because you get everything already, you're coming like the rich people them will have money and through them experience the life already. Them will be like, oh, I don't like the riches, them just like want poverty, you know, just to. What is?
Oh, I'm going right this up.
I tell you, corny joke.
More for you, me joke not corny. I'm not corny.
But I we alone upon live.
Cookies and cream, chocolate and vanilla. We get all of them. What else, Kemisha? Me get everything, right? Look like me get everything.
Put on the shirt, make we see now. Put it over the clothes there.
Yeah, put on. Let me see if I can make one for myself.
I will tell you how to style it.
And this is the surprise where you did tell me, say, me go like, what time is it now?
She said one big black something.
It's 5 minutes to 11 in the morning, January 4th. So you guys are at January 3rd? It's January
5 minutes to 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's January 4th.
I'm on their time zone as well.
I'm seeing in the future.
But they're on their time zone as well.
So you have chain for the pendant?
No, me can buy a chain. That's a easy something. Look at, I was waiting to buy a chain to see the color of it first. I have a small chain, but no one nice big chain to go with it.
Walk
No,
out,
you don't
walk
want
out there, Miguel.
commercial.
Walk out there, Miguel.
You have to cock out your chest when
Ray,
you have
good as the man, good as.
See there?
Yeah, good as.
cock off your hand.
Sissy, you don't see style of me that come through right there, so when she turn on, so.
It's not, it's a go to the
Wanna see that good?
Labush.
Not even one banana chips you now get. You see how serious me is.
Start season up and meet them from now and put them back in the freezer.
Yeah, man, I season me meat them because I have my jerk seasoning. I have
Let them
my
soak.
curry. I have my missing now. Yeah. I make festival and fish for dinner tonight because
Where you get fish from?
And your tea.
buy fish at supermarket.
And your
And
salsa plate tea.
For breakfast, me forgot drink some Roma, eat 2 crackers, and work
Oh,
from home. I'm going to office sometimes, so
Oh.
honestly, come say hello.
Who can call
So I have to taste one at tambourine.
What's
up?
that me or
me?
Come right there,
you're in there?
see tambourine say Aunt Jens.
That face.
All go on big boy.
Well,
Happy
man.
2022. Yes,
Five.
but you see when we open the box?
Yeah, me there watch it. Me see it,
Him
man.
now, love procrastinate. We tell him from when we are going to do this something. No, I'm
What
going
you
to tell Kemish about, yes, you know, if it's something, I didn't want to put a letter
nah,
in there,
yeah,
like
yeah.
letter could spoil. All you have to do is write the letter gear when she ready to send it.
Hold
Don't
on,
make
hold on,
people
hold on,
miss
hold on.
you.
Pause.
Everything you're late for.
What you know? Pause for what?
You have to look him best side.
You know.
You have to show him best side and, you know, get it comb your beard. And them thing there.
And lotion. The lotion before you come.
Your lotion.
Or when mama used to go call box we call, you know.
And what day you remember it now? When Mama got the call box.
Before she take your
Mama
phone.
have to comb down her ear because she said right
She
to
wipe off her
she
mouth.
comb down the ear down to the side of her cheek. Yes, so
Yes.
hide the bone.
And a
And
phone
she fix
call.
she fix her clothes too. And then she take your phone and say hello.
And then the phone turn upside down, you know. But me not hear Molly. Me not hear. Phone upside it down. I will tell Mama, say, Mama, you have to fix it because she can't see you. You don't allow me now. Maybe
You okay?
And about 3 hours.
to make sure say it not spoil.
This one come on TV too.
About 3 hours before we get fit, go get the call box and make our call, you know, because people in front of it as early as the morning be could have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Done.
All that she
Jace.
did, she could have did do it
Auntie
before she
Katie,
come
like, say
on.
hi. Say hi, Auntie Katie.
Hi,
Hey,
Jace.
Jace. Thank you for my letter. I got it. I have to speak properly with Jace because I not speak Patwai now.
Katie say thanks. Say you're welcome.
See? Wow. See, I got
You said
it.
you're welcome.
Yes.
And he's serious too, you know.
What's Jace? What's this? I don't know what this is. What's this?
You can go in class.
It's a what?
Kemisha, interpret that. No?
Yeah, Kim, your mother, go ahead.
Jay's going class.
Yes.
Okay. No, let me tell you what. When Daddy went to get them to do it, because me said like how them did it, make them draw me something or so. They were busy, so then just hurry up and do something. Him said they were busy, so then they busy. So who did this one? Did you do this one? Who did this one?
The one that sell off.
The one that look like you and Katie.
It's me. Wow. It's me.
Me not like the one that come out.
Me like it.
The one that could have come in green, I know.
Jess, you know what you're doing now, watching the there laugh. Jess, you know what you do.
Come on. You tell
You
her.
know what you're doing at GS.
Same so your
Attention
foot, you have your foot there so.
All the food
Everything.
there,
And
so.
put it on my head.
See, I'm and
Yeah.
them. That it's not gonna be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes,
is family.
things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica.